Today we're taking a look at this full glass cat door for your window. This has been sent to me free of charge for this review, and I just wanted to quickly show you just how incredibly simple it's going to be to install this and just some of the features that this cat door has to offer for your cat. So for the installation of this cat door, you're going to be super surprised at just how simple it is. You don't need any tools. Everything is going to be provided for you. All you're going to need to do is first open up your window. You're going to place your door inside the tracks here, just like that. Then you're going to be able to adjust it to the width of your window. It's completely installed. Next up, you do want to also tighten these little screws down. What that is going to do is just fix the slides into place so it's not moving around. You are also provided with some weather stripping. You need to put some on the top or the bottom just to seal everything up to keep wind and things out of your home. So of course, like you see here, this is going to go into your window, and a very important step into this is that you get the correct measurements. There are different sizes that you're going to be able to choose from based on your window. This door has a couple different functions. We have 3 locking buttons right here. So if we have all 3 of these down, that is going to allow your cat to be able to freely go in and out as they wish. If we have the center one up or all 3 up, that's going to lock it. So they're not going to be able to get in, or if they're already inside, they're not going to be able to get back out. If we have this one up, that's going to allow them to go out, but it's not going to allow them to come back in. And then this one is going to allow them to get in, but they're not going to be able to go back out. That's going to be very beneficial, especially at night. If you want your cat in for the night, you don't want it going back out. So overall, really nice cat door right here, and I hope that this review has helped you out deciding if this is what you're looking for your cats.